Right guys, we're back on another adventure. What are we exploring today?
Those are waterfalls.
Aye.
Right in Goathland. Take a little walk, about a 9-mile walk. There's 3 waterfalls to take in.
Doing a cook up on the bacon sandwich today, but something small.
First one, nearly at a fuss. Second one, it's spout that was. Third one, it's some fuss. It's a bit windy like, so you might not be able to hear us too good, but we'll try as best to try and block it out. Out of this hill, there's the cairn up there, so see what's up there. I don't know. Looks alright though, doesn't it? I'll go for waterfall, so.
So what do you guys think of, like, us doing a fishing video? We do that, but we haven't really been hard. Like catch and cook, like cook it in woods or something. That won't be bad, would it? I mean, I don't really eat fish, but I started to get into it. I don't like the fishy taste. Like fanny if it tastes fishy.
If it wasn't that windy, it'd be a really nice day. Sun's out, it's about 12-13 degrees. I think it's actually 14 degrees when I checked last. I've been scared with that, just kids marking up with. What's
Frogs spring coming.
Definitely down here. You can hear the water. Don't know if you lot can, like, but I can. The river's here. And at the bottom there, like a little wall thing there, was on it?
Oh, they're behind that wall. That's quite fast going, that.
Oh. How do you get down to it? There it is. Higher Foss. You will. Put that in. Might be alright in summer, like, you know, when less water. There it is, guys. Higher Foss waterfall. It's got a nice flow to it as well today. It's not rain we've had.
That rock.
Heading down to the bottom to get a better look for you. If we fall or get wet, we're blaming you.
You're right, that's for that.
there you have it, guys. Wow. Well, that's the first waterfall. On to the next one now. Probably like about half an hour to an hour walk to the next one. And yeah, come back a little bit closer. Right, following the river now. Side of the river onto the next waterfall. The path looks to be slightly eroded. So we'll see how we get on walking on it. Should be alright. The next waterfall is Mallion Spout. It's been made to use. Quite a dodgy path, like. It's not too bad now. Saying that though, this bit looks quite bad. There we go. Definitely a dodgy path. Nearly went there and stood on my fucking lace. Better tuck that in a bit. Well, there you are, man.
Sweating. Might go for a dip, see how it is, because it's gonna be freezing, isn't it? It's winter. I'll see what happens.
These rocks are quite slippy. I definitely took your laces, then you don't want to be tripping over them. It's definitely springtime weather, that's how it feels. I mean, I've got sweat on. And I've only got a thin coat on as well. Oh, we've got that on. And look, we're fucking sweating. Right there. I'll have a quick look at one and see what. It said 14 degrees earlier, so see what it is now. I can't. Oh yeah, they're 14 degrees, that's what we're on. So yeah, it's definitely a nice day. Better than what we've had recently. Well, the footpath's a bit better now. We'll say that, we'll see how it goes. Might get worse, you see. Ah, it's looking alright. Definitely a nice little walk, so if any of you want to know the walk, just leave a message. I'll send you the OS maps route, if you've got OS maps, that is. Yeah, that's what I use. You can make your own routes or just use someone else's route like they've made. It's quite a good little app. It's quite accurate as well, it's got all the accurate features on.
The other waterfall? Well, the other way.
Oh, I think it's the same river. Not today, I mean.
That one now.
Yeah, put that in your bag. That's carrying it. Oh, I make a brew as well, innit, at Waterfall. The last one, Thomas and Foss. So here it is, guys. Malian Spout. There she is in her glory. I have to put my head under, to be honest, it was quite refreshing. We're a bit wet. That's all fun, isn't it? Woo! It's very water with here.
Rushing.
Well, we're all nice and refreshed now.
Yeah.
And we're heading to the next waterfall now. And that's Thompson Foss. And we'll go there for a bit and then make some bacon sarnies and a nice brew.
Oh, yeah. Harder. Rouse.
Yeah.
It's not a chicken, is it? Is it? It's a bit smart.
No, they're chickens. I don't know what they are. A little strange, right? So if any of you guys know what they are, just leave a comment and tell us. I'm not sure what it is. It's a bit like a chicken.
I'm sure chicken's head out that small.
So this is the path up to Thompson Foss. There's the sign for it. At least that wind's calmed down, hasn't it?
It's a bit warm. Oh,
I won't mind it now, I get a bit of breeze. And this track here is the North Yorkshire Moors Railway steam train track. This one here. It'd be nice if train came past. Get a bit of footage of that.
Put that in my bag.
Aye.
Don't leave rubbish,
Take your
guys.
rubbish with you, especially if it's ripped up on. Yeah. What's hard about that? I don't know. I think the pastime worth a river. Flowing over there, isn't it, river? Aye. Full oak tree. Gone over. Must have took some force to take that down. Look at the size of it. Made like a bridgeway to the other side now. And here we are, guys, at the waterfall. You can see it there. As if a navigator's way across these rocks to get there. Guys, that's what you call a magnificent waterfall, isn't it? Cup of tea on, a cup of coffee, should I say so? And Richard's having water, we've done a little dip. You want to call it? That's why I call it a mocha pot. I think that's what we call it, or a cafeteria or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's what it is. I don't know if you can hear me too good, like, because the water is quite fast flowing, so it might be covered up like that. And I've got the ground coffee here, but have that. I didn't expect a pot stabiliser to balance it. No, you're going for it. can't, man, it's cold. Is that height? Oh.
Oh man, I can't do that, lads. Ice. Oh, that's flowy. Oh, man! Woo! This is a cold one. Oh, man. Oh. Oh. Bloody nuts like that. Oh, man. That's enough of that. Oh, wait, you're moaning or something like that.
Doing nicely. I got milk, powder and sugar in this bag to add to my coffee. Ah, it's ready that. I think the milk to sugar ratio I put in the bag wasn't great. It's a bit dark, but you know, it'll do, ain't it? Well, bacon sizzling away, pal.
Wow, look at that.
I didn't fetch a nitro, so I said, rip the bread off and don't you? Even fetch some tomato sauce as well to go with it. Your coffee's in there.
Right.
I think it's 2 feet in here, we're up 2 flights with stuff leaking up. There's no sugar that milk anymore, that's the balance now. Took a bit black. That'll do me nicely. Now you put your bacon in. might need a bit more oil, pal. Look at that. How do you open that? That's a proper bacon sign, isn't it? Right guys, that's the end of the video. So if you liked, leave a comment, leave a like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.